So I'm Sarah. I work at NAVTEQ, and today we're going to talk about a new data product that we believe will help support more friendlier guidance that we call natural guidance. So if you look to the presentation, you'll see that what NAVTEQ's trying to do is really focus on creating data that allows people to have directions that are much more friendlier. What that means is that it would give consumers easier and more universal-based guidance, similar to what their friends get. While that sounds really easy, it's actually quite complicated. At NAVTEQ, we've translated the experience of being a friend into data. And what that meant is we started with a lot of consumer research to understand the foundation and the core of how people give guidance. And doing that consumer research, we found a couple really interesting things that created this data model. We created then the structured model that is global, and then a whole tool set that our field staff can build and maintain the product. And what that means is that NAVTEQ is creating data to give guidance like this. So no longer could you see guidance of go 500 feet and turn right at Main Street, but instead you could see something like this. And this is a London-based situation where you're looking at your windscreen and the navigation device could say, turn right at the yellow shop. What that means is at NAVTEQ is we've built a very unique descriptive name. It's not the name that probably sits on the business itself, but it's something that someone can quickly connect to, see, and feel confident about their experience. We make sure we give contextual information, including prepositions, and there's a whole other series of data that sits alongside of it that allows our customers who are compiling this data to feel really confident about when to use it. So things like how visible it is within the distance that our specification shows. In the direction of travel, is this going straight or this way? It might look different and may have different kind of importance factors. Is there a tree in front of it, and when it blossoms you can't see it, so the seasonality, and then finally permanence. And all of these get built into a single calculated importance across different types of data sets. So here we showcase a building. It could be something more permanent like a bridge or a traffic signal, or some sort of cartographic feature as well. And why NAVTEQ's so excited about this is that we believe that you can hear it quickly with our voice phonemes, see it out your windscreen, and then feel confident and know that you're on the right path. And through our consumer research, this is exactly what we're looking for. So our consumer research shows that if an application were to do this, they would feel it was friendlier, more approachable, a little bit more practical, valuable, and it really builds that confidence and reassurance that some consumers are looking for. So at NAVTEQ, we're really proud of the natural guidance product. We believe that it will revolutionize the way navigation is moving from linear, this feet-based kind of directions, to something that's more natural, like your friend might give it to you. And we think that will enable confidence for many sorts of drivers, and and we're really excited about this product.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.